Last question.
Question number 34, 35?
35.
Okay, in the question number 35, they are saying you need to find out which statement is not correct. So the 4 statements are given. You need to tell which is incorrect. So A statement, respiration plants occur during the day as well as during the night. So respiration in the plants, it will be happening in the day as well as in the night. So this statement is correct. In
Yes,
B, germinating seeds respire and release carbon dioxide during the process. So you might have seen the germination of seed process, right? So during that time, what do? They will be releasing the carbon dioxide gas, right? Which is correct. From the C statement, carbon dioxide turns lime water milky. Again, it is correct because um, when we release the carbon dioxide gas into the limestone, it start turning milky. So like the milk, they will be turning into the color. And the D, energy released during anaerobic respiration is much more than energy released during aerobic respiration. So in this case, what happened? The statement is wrong in the D. Why? Because in the case of the anaerobic, the energy will be produced in less amount, whereas in the case of aerobic, it will be produced in high amount. So this statement, what they have said, is incorrect. Okay?
Okay.
So the answer is D.
I'm Anubhav joined.
Yeah, let him join. Let me talk to him first of all.
Good evening, ma'am.
Anubhav, why late for the class? Good evening.
Oh, sorry, ma'am. I have a tuition, so I'm late.
Okay, all right. Turn on the video.
Yes, ma'am.
So,
1 minute, ma'am.
you need to start with the question number. Like last time, level 1 questions we are done with. Now today we have to start with the level 2 question. So, Anubhav, start doing the level 2 question. Yashwant, now you can carry on with the question number 36 and all.
Okay. Ma'am, till
I think Yashwant, you can open the PDF in your mobile also, right? I think I have uploaded this
laptop.
PDF. Yeah, laptop you can open in that. So under the, I think, resources, you will be able to find this file, right?
Yes,
Are you
ma'am.
able to see it? I'll tell you with what name it is there. It will be with the name in the homework. Under the homework folder, it will be there with the name Respiration in Organism, 7th questions. So Anubhav and I think Yashwant, you can start doing from there. And then
Ma'am,
while discussing, yeah, Anubhav.
so I have to start from question number 31.
Right, 31 you need to start because Yashwant has already completed 31 to 35.
Okay, ma'am.
Yashwant, have you got the file there? In the homework, there will be file with the name Respiration Organism 7th questions.pdf.
Yes, ma'am, I got it.
Okay, good. Hmm. Done, Anubhav? Question number 31 to 35?
No, ma'am, I just opened my laptop.
Okay, okay. All right. So why you have kept your classes like during the other class time, during my class time?
Ma'am, ma'am, I was stuck in the traffic jam.
Oh, okay, okay, okay. All right, all right, all right.
Ma'am, the file is under which tab?
Under the homework,
Okay.
the second file will be there, respiration in organism, seventh questions PDF.
And can we also watch a video after this?
Can we?
Watch a video
Which video?
about respiration.
We'll do that. We'll do that. Have you got it, Anubhav?
Yes, ma'am, I am doing that.
Okay, fine, fine. Do it, then we'll be discussing the answers of it.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I got a doubt in the
Hmm?
38th question, ma'am.
Which question?
38.
Let me open it. In question number 38, what they are saying, study the given. Okay, I'll just share the screen and explain you. So here in this question number 38, what they are saying, they have given the experimental setup. So a setup is there, you can see in the picture. In this part is the rubber. And what they are saying that if you now try to pull this rubber like this, down direction, if you try to pull rubber like this, then what will happen? So first condition they have given, air pressure inside the bell jar decreases. So whatever the air pressure is there inside, it will start decreasing. Second thing, the two small balloons expand. So these balloons which are there, they will start blowing. Then third thing they have given, this is similar to the contraction of lungs during exhalation. So this is like the same as like the lungs, how they are behaving. So what holds true? So the answer is D, A and B. So air pressure will be decreasing inside the jar as well as these balloons, they will start expanding.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, my up to question number 35 is done.
Till question number 35 you have completed, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we'll discuss now question number 31 to 35 first of all. Question number 31. Read, Anubhav, you read it and give the answer.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, in question number 31, it is written that the path followed by carbon dioxide to go out of the lungs alveoli is. Ma'am, I have written option B.
Correct. So the option is just one minute. The option is B. So
Yes.
the air will be there in the lungs. They will be giving to bronchioles. Bronchioles will be giving back to the bronchi. Bronchi will be giving to trachea. And then trachea will be giving back to the pharynx and then to the nostril. And from the nostril goes out of the body. So the correct answer is D. Now, question number 32. Yashwant, read the question number 32 and give me the answer.
The graph shows changes in concentration of lactic acid in the muscles of an athletic both during and after a race. Concentration of athletic in the muscle diagram.
Hmm.
Okay. At what time? Wait. At what time did the athlete finish the race?
So what is answer according to you?
Uh, I think it would be D, ma'am.
Okay, according to Yashwant, it is D. Anubhav, according to you, what is the answer?
Ma'am, I have also written D.
Okay, both of you have written the wrong answer. I'll tell you the reason why. So try to understand these kinds of questions. Now, what they have given, the down axis, the y axis is basically the time, which is given in minute. All right. Here, the x axis is what? The lactic acid concentration. Now, what happened here? They have given very clearly that during the race and after the race, they have given the concentration. Now, as soon as a person has started the race, here the concentration was. But later on, these concentration goes up until here it reaches up. All right. Till here it was reached. Now, as soon as it reached here, this was the maximum concentration. And this is the place where he finished his race. So he started from the 0 and he finished his race at the 6. Now, after the 6 minutes, what happened? He was breathing further so that his body can become normal because oxygen was not there. Like, right? So oxygen deficiency was there. So what he was doing after completing the race, after 6 minutes, he was trying to just get the proper amount of breathe. And that is why to get the proper amount of breathe, he was just moving from 6 minutes to 10 minutes. So he was not running. You can see the graph. The graph is coming down. So it means he was not running there. The concentration of the lactic acid was less. So it means he got his breathe back to the normal position. So the correct answer is 6 minutes because here in the 6 minutes, he has completed the race with the time. All right, Yashwant and Anubhav?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, Anubhav, read the question number 33 and give the answer.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, in question number 33, it is written that match the respiratory organs in column 1 with the animals in which they are present in column 2 and select the correct option. According to me, it is C.
Correct. So this C. Gills will be with the fishes. They will be respiring through that. The lungs will be with the crocodile. The skin will be earthworm, and the spiracles will be grasshopper. They are the respiratory organ of them. Correct. Now, question
Okay, ma'am.
number 34. Yashwant, you read it and give the answer.
Yes, ma'am. Define the label 1, 2, and 3 in the given figure showing exchange of gas between alveoli,
Alveoli,
alveoli and blood capillaries.
capillaries.
Select the correct option.
Okay. Now, here, what is the answer according to you, Yashwant?
Ma'am, according to me, I would think that 3 would be
No.
H2O.
You have to pick like this: A, B, C, D. So this is the
D,
correct
ma'am.
sequence like this. D. Okay. According to Yashwant, it is D. Anubhav, according to you?
Now option A.
Correct. Option A is correct. So this, the first here, the first labeling which is given here is the CO2. The second which is going out, the arrow is going out, that is the oxygen. And the third one here in between, these are what? They are the red blood cells. All right.
Ma'am, can I answer 35?
Yeah. Yeah, Yashwant, please do that.
Okay, ma'am. Which of the following statements is not correct? And D, ma'am, because I had a doubt
Correct.
on this.
Yeah. So D answer is the correct one, because we know very well in the case of the aerobic respiration, the energy will be produced in a high amount, whereas in the case of anaerobic, the energy produced will be in the less amount. Okay, now children start doing question number 36 to 40, and then we will be discussing them.
Ma'am, there are till 50 questions, ma'am.
Yeah, total 50 are there, but we will not be doing all questions right now. After this, we will be stopping and we will be going to the subjective part of it.
Okay.
Ma'am, Anubhav done.
Okay, 36 to 40 you have done.
Yes, ma'am.
Yashwant, you also have done 36 to 40.
Ma'am, I have to complete 39 and 40.
Okay, do it, then we will be discussing the answers of the same.
Ma'am, in a while, can you show answers of 21 to 30?
Okay, I'll just tell you the answer. Could you write it, Anubhav?
Yes, ma'am.
21 answer is B.
Yes, ma'am.
22 C.
Yes, ma'am.
23 B. B for boy.
Yes, ma'am.
24 D. D for dog.
Yes, ma'am.
25 D. D for dog.
Yes, ma'am.
26 C.
Yes, ma'am.
27 D.
Yes, ma'am.
28 B. B for boy.
Yes, ma'am.
29 30 both are B. B for boy.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I got 2 wrong.
Full? Great.
Ma'am, I got doubt on the 14th question.
40. Let me open the page. Question number 40. Okay, let me share the screen to explain you.
Ma'am, I think it is very easy.
Let me see the question. Okay, we'll start better. We'll start from the question number 36 first of all. 36 question number A. During inhalation, the rib moves dash and dash, and the diaphragm moves dash. This dash the volume of thoracic cavity, and the air pressure inside the lungs dash. Now complete the above paragraph by selecting the correct option. So Yashwant, according to what is the answer for 36, and Anubhav, what is according to you? Yes, Anubhav and Yashwant, 36 answer.
Ma'am, we are having second thoughts about this.
Ma'am, according to me, it is option C.
Ma'am,
No, it is A. I'll tell you why. So during inhalation, what happened? The ribs will move upward and it will move outward. The diaphragm will move down, and then this increases the volume of thoracic cavity, and the air pressure inside the lung will decrease. And that is how we inhale the gas. So during inhalation, the ribs will move upward and outward, and the diaphragm moves down. This increases the volume of thoracic cavity, and the air pressure inside the lungs decreases. Now, question number 37. Select the correct statement out of the following. So, which is correct for you? Yashwant and Anubhav?
ma'am, D, ma'am, both
D.
A and B.
Correct. So, both of you are correct. The answer is D. So, normally we breathe 16 to 18 times per minute is correct, as well as breathing rate increases during physical activity. This is also correct. Now, 38 question I have explained you a few minutes before. So they have given a setup. Now we have to find out what holds true when the rubber sheet. So when we are pulling the rubber sheet down, what it basically denotes. So it denotes that the air pressure will be decreasing in the jar, as well as the balloons will start expanding. Question number 39. Select the correct statement out of the following. We have to find out the correct statement. So tell me the answer, Anubhav and Yashwant, according to you.
Ma'am, I have written option C.
And Yashwant, what about you?
Ma'am, I also.
So the correct option is C only. During aerobic respiration, the oxidation of glucose will be there, with the help of which the carbon dioxide, water, and energy will be produced. Now, coming to the 40th question, read the following statement. Frog can respire through skin as well as lungs. This is correct or wrong?
Ma'am, I have written option D.
You have written option.
Ma'am, I have a doubt still, but I think I would write option A.
Okay, Yashwant is saying option A, and Anubhav is saying option D. So let me read it. Basically, the correct answer is C. Because what they have said, we have to find out the incorrect statement, right? In the first statement, frog can respire through skin as well as lungs, right? Which is correct. So frogs, they can breathe through the skin also, they can breathe through the lungs also. In the second statement, they said humans respire through the lungs. So we respire through lungs, which is true. Now, in the third one, trachea is a structure where the exchange of gases take place, which is wrong. The exchange of gases will take place in the alveoli. So the third statement is wrong. Now, coming to the fourth statement, during photosynthesis, plants take in oxygen and gives out carbon dioxide.
No, ma'am.
No, it is opposite. Plants will be taking in the carbon dioxide and gives out the oxygen. So this third and fourth statement are wrong. That is why the answer will be C.
Ma'am, I think it is written correct. Choose the correct option.
No, Anubhav, see, when you talk about the entrance exam, Olympiad exams and all, such kinds of questions always come. So, okay, be careful with what they ask you. They ask you correct, they ask you incorrect, or sometimes what they do, they give you the statement, find out the options which are not correct. So, sometimes not, sometimes correct, sometimes incorrect. So, like this, they makes the child confused. All right.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now again, children, open the homework folder. There you will be finding the respiration with today's date. Respiration 2023. Can you see that?
Ma'am, please.
Yes, ma'am.
There, I think you have the short answers and long question answers, right?
Ma'am, is it named with respiration subjective?
Yes, respiration subjective, right?
Yes, ma'am, I found it.
Fine. Now you need to do question number 1 to 5 right now. Okay. No, not 1 to 5. I'll just tell you which question right now you need to do. Question number 1. Just mark it there, okay, children? Write there somewhere. Question number 1. Question number 7. Question number 11. 1, 7, 11. These 3 questions you need to do right now.
Only these?
Only these 3 right now.
Okay, ma'am. How will we discuss?
After once you complete all the 3 questions, you will be telling me the answers orally.
Yes, ma'am.
And why the videos are off, children? Yashwant, turn on the video.
Okay, I didn't understand question number 1.
Question number 1. Name and explain the main processes of the aerobic respiration. So, what are the 2 main types of the aerobic respiration? Inhalation and exhalation basically will be coming in this. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, we have to write the answer.
Yeah, you need to write the answer.
Okay. Ma'am, can we explain the processes in 2 lines or we have to write more lines?
You need to write, basically you can write 2 lines. 2 lines are enough because these are the short answers, right?
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, Anubhav done.
All three questions, Anubhav?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, send me the file there on my number.
Ma'am, I'm in the seventh one, ma'am.
Okay, okay.
Ma'am, in the personal email,
Yeah, Yashwant?
ma'am, we should send it in which contact? Your email?
Yeah, my number, WhatsApp number, you can send it.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, I'll check it, Anubhav.
Ma'am, we have to scan and give,
Yeah,
and that will take some time,
okay, no problem.
like
No
tomorrow.
problem. Question number one is correct. One is correct. Question number 7 is correct, Anubhav. Question number 11. Let me go through the muscular sheet of bracket. Question number 11 is also correct, Anubhav.
Ma'am, can we move on to the next questions?
Okay, I'll tell you which next questions will be. Our next question will be. From the long answer type question.
Yes.
Question number 3, 4, 5. And so these are the long question answers. Make sure that you should write it in the appropriate way.
Yes, ma'am.